Hello everyone, my name is Tinso, also known as 300. Welcome to the channel 300 Travel Tales. കേരളത്തിലെ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. To all my friends outside Kerala, namaste. In today's video, we will discuss about 5 types of people which we meet in the highways. Stay tuned. Number 1. The impossible people. It is impossible to take your motorcycle from Kerala to Kashmir because it is illegal. Police will catch you. Ah wow, nice. So these people think that we cannot travel from state to state without changing the registration plate. There are still people who believe that. Or according to them, we have to register our motorcycle in the particular state to travel in the particular state. So, the impossible people. Number 2, the selfie walas. Can I take a selfie with you, please? Okay. Can you put on your jacket on? Put the jacket on. Okay, I put the jacket on. Okay, can you please put on your helmet as well? Okay, I will put on my helmet. Oh no, you should close the lid please. Selfie. Absolutely brilliant. This is one story, and the next story is that while I was traveling the 39th day of my trip, while I was traveling through Bangalore, so I usually keep my wallet on my belt pouch. So I forgot to close my belt pouch after taking out my mobile and putting it back. So what happened is that I was cruising at, I started to cruise at around 90 km per hour. So the wallet just flew off and all the bills and the money, it fell on the highway. So I immediately realized I did a mistake. I parked my motorcycle in a hurry and I went towards the wallet, and a truck came by and the money was all over the place. So I luckily got the wallet. So I took my wallet and all the cards were intact, and I started picking up the bills and stuff. So in the meanwhile, when I looked at my bike tilted to one side and it was almost stuck on the railings. It was due to the highway wind blast of a truck. So I took all my money and whatever I could. I went back to my motorcycle. I tried to lift it, but I could not. I was weak, I was tired, and also the bike was heavy and it was almost stuck in the railings, right? So I waved to a couple of people, young people over the next side of the highways, and they immediately jumped through the highway and came to me. So one of the guys, he helped me to lift up the motorcycle by lifting the motorcycle onto the mobile holder which I had on the front handlebar. So he lifted off the mobile holder, he lifted off the motorcycle. I was, no, stop. Crack, and the mobile holder broke. So luckily he got hold of the handlebar, and me and him together, we lifted off the bike and we kept it in a proper way. And the next thing what he was asking was, can I take a selfie with you? I was like, of course buddy, you can take a selfie with you. What's wrong in taking a selfie in this very good time? I'm tired for the because of the end days ride. My bike just tipped over and my money just flew away the highways. Of course you can take a selfie. Number 3, the truck drivers. So this is a very interesting category of people which we meet in the highways, the truck drivers. On my trip to Rajasthan, so initially we were on 3 motorcycles, and a Ninja 300 and an Yamaha R3 and myself CBR 250R, in that order. So the Ninja just passed a truck, and as soon as the Yamaha R3 was about to pass the truck suddenly, the truck driver suddenly he waved to the right and almost caused an accident. So, and luckily nothing happened, and the bike just passed through. So next was my turn to pass the truck driver. So as I looked the truck driver to the left, he was like smiling and waving. Yee! What? You deliberately did that, you moron. So these are some type of truck drivers which we see in the highways. So there is another, I met another truck driver during my trip from Bangalore to Bangalore from Visakhapatnam. So what he did was I just met them on a dhaba. So I talked to them for a while. I told them this is my trip. I just completed 39th day. Today is my 39th day on the road. I just completed around 9,500 kilometers. So I'm on my way to Bangalore. So we had a few tea and some snacks. So they were willing to pay for my bill. I pleaded them, no, it is my responsibility or my duty to pay your bill. You should not need you. There is no requirement for you to pay my bill. So they did not agree. So they directly commanded the guy at the tea shop that he will not take money from me. So there are a few nice people around. So I will never forget this type of people in my life. These are the type of people which you meet in highways. Number 4, very interesting. The mileage walas. Kitna deti hai? I would say around 20 to 25. Oh, mine gives 60 plus kilometers per liter. I can travel all India with this. Absolutely nice. Very brilliant. Oh, thank you very much. Good for you, sir. Good for you. So this is a very common question which many people, many bikers come across even all around India, whether it be south, north, east or west. So kitna deti hai? How much will your bike give the mileage? So it's a very common questions, and very you will get very interesting comments from the people who ask these questions in a petrol bunk mainly. So let me know in the comment section if you get any of these questions about the mileage of your bike. Number 5, the best people. So these are the people in the highways which are willing to help others, or they are really good drivers. They give side. They do not want to interfere with our problem, or they do not want to interfere in our trip. So, but they really help us. So once I was in Andhra Pradesh while traveling all the way to the north. So I got a free tea from a lady on the highway. So she was like generous. So no, you have to get a free tea. So you just spend some time of yours with me. You are getting a free tea. So she did not accept money from me. When I was in Sivani near Jhansi, so I got free air checkup. So I just went to went to a tire shop and I asked to check the air. No sir, it's free for you. So a lot of things, a lot of people are there who tries to help you. So they are just curious. They are just curious about your ride. They respect your ride. They respect your you as a person. So I think that is very important for people or humanity to survive, or just human beings to survive together and be happy. So these are the type of people which I met during my trips. Let me know in the comment section below what type of people did you meet. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to hear more from me, subscribe. Take care. See you next time. Till then, signing off. Tinso.